Hey, I'm Jayne Oltz, a therapist and co-leader of the Unity Group at the Phoenix Center. If you're part of the LGBTQIA or queer community, you might feel that finding a group therapy space where you can truly be yourself can be challenging. And that's why I am so excited to invite you to the Unity Group, a healing space for queer folks. This isn't your typical therapy group. In this group, we're going to focus on more than just talking. Through activities like art, movement, mindfulness, and role playing, we can really tap into our inner experiences in a way that words alone sometimes can't reach. It's about expressing who we are, understanding our struggles, breaking down barriers, and cultivating the strength to move forward together. If you're looking for a group where you can explore your lived experience and grow with others who truly understand, the Unity Group might be just what you need. This group is deeply rooted in the values of understanding, non-judgment, inclusivity, trust, and most importantly, the value that you will bring to this group. Contact us today to learn more and complete an intake with one of our LGBTQIA+ staff.